Hi guys, right, so this is a really common mistake that people make. I see it a lot when I'm training people, and I get a lot of inquiries as to why people's fans are just falling apart once they've gone to dip them, or once they've picked them back up, once they've fanned them out. So one of these problems that I keep seeing is the way that people hold their tweezers. So ideally, we want to be holding the tweezers with every finger, with your pinky right down here. So we've got total control, and you want to be pushing your thumb. The tension wants to go from thumb to fingers. Now this is going to stop this tweezer from twisting. You probably won't even feel that it's happening, but if you hold your tweezer with just 3 fingers, 2 fingers like this, or even with 4 fingers, you've got every chance of that twisting. And it's all micro movements, so you will have no idea that you're doing it, but the fact that your fans fall apart on you or are not as perfect as they were when you made them down here, then it will be because your micro movements are twisting the tweezer. So what we want to do is keep total control, and you're pushing your thumb to your little finger, and that is going to prevent anything from twisting, because this section is designed to come together flush. If you twist it, it will move. So I'm going to use this tweezer because this is quite a bendy tweezer, and I want to show you a more extreme version of what is actually happening so that you can see. So I'm going to go with, let's say, 3 fingers. I'm going to go in, and already I can feel that I've twisted the tweezer. Create my fan. Get rid of you. Okay, I'm going to go in, behind, get it. Well, this tweezer's crap for this anyway. But what I feel like I've done is, I feel like my thumb is pulling back because I haven't got the tension. When I pull back, my thumb is almost dragging that tweezer, and it just twists it. You can see that if I do this, it will twist. And these are all tiny, tiny micro movements that happen when you've got, you know, your decent pair of tweezers that don't actually wiggle about, but it will be micro movements. It will happen. So what we need to do is keep all your fingers on your tweezer. That thumb needs to be pushed into the tips of your other fingers, and the tension wants to meet through here, especially between here and here. That is where your tension's going to go, and you'll feel it. You'll have loads more control. Nothing will twist. So if I try that again with this, obviously, crappy pair of tweezers. I've got total control. And you can actually see where my skin's going yellow here, where the tension is. Here, here. So you do need to, if you're not using your hand in this way, try and train yourself again. Coming in, that tension is on those fingers. You can see how much tension I'm pushing. Oh, just got it by accident there. So, okay, this tweezer doesn't pick up properly these lashes, but you can see that I don't feel like I dragged my thumb back then. I feel like, because the tension's being pushed forward into my fingers, I'm not dragging and twisting anything. Everything is where it should be. Nothing's moving. So I've got that fan. So you can see how holding your tweezer correctly is going to make a hell of a lot of difference to the quality of your fans once you've picked them back up. So people often ask me as well, what tweezer do I use? I use a boot style tweezer. I feel like these are the best for making fans. The point's really nice. It's thick enough here to grab everything. This one in particular has got a 4.5mm biting point, so it doesn't matter how you lash, you can pick everything up. This also picks up a 0.07 all the way down to a 0.03, so this can be used for mega volume as well. This is by me. I did design this tweezer. It's in rose gold. It's absolutely beautiful. I really love this tweezer. It is available on my website. However, right now with the circumstances, my manufacturers are on lockdown, so this hasn't been available for a little while. I have got some pending, which are sold out. So there is a waiting list on my website. You can go on there and pop your name down, and when everything's back to normal, we should be bashing them out. So I hope this video has been really helpful. Please share it around if you've got friends or, you know, other people that are experiencing this problem. Happy lashing, guys.